So an organized community makes it easier for members to find and join relevant discussions quickly. This also helps you grow your community faster and sparks conversation with like-minded people effortlessly. So in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to create your first community space and also add or invite members with appropriate roles and where conversations comes alive, ideas spark, and create a lively place that people genuinely love to be part of. But before moving on, let me tell you briefly what Spaces actually is in FluentCommunity. A Spaces is kind of like a mini forum within your community and perfect for sharing posts, running polls, and discussing ideas. Let's say you are creating a photography community and you can keep it simple with one space for all kinds of photographers. Or you might divide it into a niche spaces like street photography, wildlife, wedding, and also giving each group their own corner to thrive in. So this approach makes your community more organized, more personal and engaging. So all right, let me walk you through how you can do that, okay? So here's my newly installed FluentCommunity and completely blank and waiting to roll up. And also spaces are usually, stored together in space groups. And right now I don't have any group. So this is why I'll go to the settings and open the space group. As you can see, a default space group is already there. So let's create a group for this community. Okay, so I want a common discussion group for professionals from different niches. So I'm going to name the first group as Career Connect. Okay. And also now I will add a slug and write a short description for this one. Okay, I have already built my descriptions. I'm just gonna paste it in there. So here I have the flexibility to decide whether I want to show this to users not even a part of any space. So I will keep it enabled and everything looks, perfect. So let's create one. Nice. So similarly, I can create as many space groups as I need to keep my community organized. Okay, so I have some plans to offer free courses to attract more professionals to join my community. And let me create another one for keeping course-related information together. So let's do this. Just as I did before, I'll tap on create a new group. Following that, I need to provide title and also slot, and of course, a short description to it. And finally, hit create to get it done. Okay. So, well, I have got two groups to keep things organized now. And I will get back to the spaces. And it's blank now, but it's just a matter of time to fill it up with community discussion spaces. If I go for creating new space, I have got two options there. One is space and one is course. So luckily, I have two dedicated space group to organize them properly. So for now, let's go with space. Nice. Okay. So I need to provide some basic info here. The name I'm choosing for this space, it might be pro marketers. Okay. So after that, adding a slug and I'll provide short details for this space. Nice. So next I have the menu group. You can see the menu groups I created are already there, and I'll go with Career Connect for now. Okay. And then I have access control. So this is very important because here I can control how many people can become a part of this discussion space. And setting to be public will make the post visible without even joining the space, but only community member can post in the discussions. This one great for attracting relevant members because they can see what's going on in the community and let them decide whether their goals align with the members or not. So if I just want to show basic info publicly and manually approve who joins, switching to private mode is the smart move for me. Okay, so and I will need to set the lock screen for that as well. So in case you want only invited members to join the community, you can go with secret. As of now, I'm going with the public. And in terms of member visibility, I have got quite a few options to decide. I'll stay with members only and continue. Okay. Well, so there are a lot more options there to customize, and I have got some checkboxes here to personalize members' interaction. I want to give full flexibility to my space group members to create posts, and that's why I'm keeping the first box unchecked, and the second one for showing space on the right sidebar. So I'll tick it. I'll also take the next one for hiding the members count from space. Okay. Okay. So the next option enables file storage. So I'll tick that as well. All right. So here I can set a default post sorting options and even disable it with a simple tap. I have got two layout styles here, which help me, make things look better. Okay, so I'm going to pick timeline. Okay, so moving on to the other section, I can upload a thumbnail. So I already have a picture, that represents this space group even better, and coincidentally, it fits perfectly in the recommended size. Okay, so let's upload it real quick. So next, I also set a feature image to make the homepage look more polished. Okay. It's done. So everything's in place. Time to finalize it. Okay. So let's hit that create button and bring this space to life. So here you go. My first community space is up and running. Okay. So on top, you can see the posts, members, and their doors that give me access to all the information I have provided to create this space. Okay. And it also has a place on the left sidebar. As my space is set, now it's time to spark real conversation. I can easily add members from the users. If you are a free user, this is your way to grow your community. So let me quickly add a few to my space and explore the process. So if I select members, I can see invitations to add members directly. So I'll go to the new invitee. Here I have to select user, entitle him with a role, and simply add them as a member. But this becomes fun with the pro version, which offers some effective ways to bring community members on board. So I can easily invite anyone who is not even a part of my WordPress site. Okay, so all I need to type is their email, and straight away a notification will pop up to send the invitation, and it's pretty cool, to be honest. Okay, so besides, I can even create an invitation link and share it with potential members. Anyone with the link can join this space directly. So that's how easy it is to add members and grow your community in FluentCommunity. Now I have my community and discussion space and members to the space. Okay, so let me create a post now and share it with them. Okay, so I'm making a post. So I'll start with an introductory post to kick things off. Okay, so though I can write a title here, so I'll skip it now and go directly to the body part. So now let me just write a simple post. I think attaching a photo might interest others more, so let's do it as well. Great. So I'll just post it now and done. So now others can see the post, like it, or even share their feedback on the comment section with ease. And there you have it. My first community space up and running on FluentCommunity. Okay. So by this time, you know how to set up space groups, create a discussion space from scratch, add members, and finally share posts to spark real conversation with FluentCommunity. So now it's your turn to set up your space, share a welcome note, and start building those meaningful conversations. If you find this tutorial helpful, share it with us in the comments. We'd love to hear how your community is shaping up. I have just laid the groundwork today, so see you in the next video where I will be covering everything to enhance community engagement meaningfully. So stick with WPManageNinja to learn everything you need to build a thriving, engaged, and purpose-driven online platform from zero. See you in the next one.